Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to import data from website into Excel using a third-party tool called LidoWeb. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and do a free sign up, and once you did a sign up you will be landed over here on the dashboard. And now I'm going to click on the new file which will open a new spreadsheet, looks similar to Google Sheet. And then I'm going to extract the player rankings from a website called atp2.com. So this is player rankings, looks in a tabular format, and if you have any similar kind of data, then you can make use of this LidoWeb to extract. Another best example would be stock market analysis by large market cap or small market cap. If you have the data, then copy the URL and paste it over here and import the data. And now I'm going to show you a live demo. Just click on the URL tab, copy the entire URL. Let's name this as ATP rankings. And now click on the extract data, go to website, paste the URL that you have copied and click on submit. So that's it. Now it has extracted the data and populated the columns from the website. So it has rank, player, age, official points, and tournament played, dropping, next based. So it has populated some of the column, and if you want to add extra column, you can type the column name here and click on enter. And this extra instruction, you can make use of this if you want to manipulate the data that was parsed from the website. For example, like if you want to change the timestamp or a date format, or if you want to do any round off of the number, then you can make use of this extra instruction. And this extract multiple rows per URL, you can check this if there are multiple rows present on the URL. And now click on the process. The data is processed successfully. You got a success notification, and if you close the tab, that's it. You have got all the data that is needed over here. So rank, and if there is a movement, it will update here, and the player name is Jank Sinner, and whatever the points that they have got over here. So 10,330 that you can see here, and the twos played will get populated. And now if you want to export the data to Excel, you can make use of this option, export values to Excel, and it will be downloaded as Excel format. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.